How to add panel, toolbar, plugins, and shapefile in QGIS. How to create multiple layers at a time means line, point, and polygon shapefile create in QGIS. So it is very important if you want to work in QGIS and you are a beginner or a professional. So please like, share, and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. We open QGIS. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer, we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here point. We write here point, landmark, and geometry type. We select here geometry type point and projection default. Okay, our point shape file created. Again we go to layer and create layer and new temporary scratch layer and we write here center line and geometry type line and projection default. And okay, our line feature created. Next we go to layer, create layer and new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name building and geometry type polygon and okay. Our file is created, point, line and area. We start editing. So first we create point. So we select here landmark and click toggle editing and here is point feature highlighted. So we click here add point feature and draw a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here is our point feature and next we draw a line. We select here line and start editing. Go to toggle editing and our line is highlighted. We select here add line feature and draw a line and we right click for end. Our line is created. Next first point and second point and we right click. Our line is created. Third polygon means building. We select here building. After it we go to toggle editor and our add polygon feature highlighted. We select here and we create polygon first point, second point and third point and we right click for end. Our feature created first point, second point and third point and right click. Our point, line and polygon shape file is created. If you want to change symbology to point feature, right click and go to property. Here is point symbology. You choose as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our point layer property change and we go to line feature, right click and go to property and we select here layer. As per your requirement you select it and OK. Our line symbology change Next we go to building, right click, property and select here as per your requirement. We select green and OK. Our symbology change. If you want to see detail, you go to table. Here is table, open attribute. We click here. Here is attribute table. And if you want to identify, so you go to identify and you click. Here is identify tool and your detail. Here is nothing detail. Our multiple feature created process and symbology complete successful. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. Create line layer and split it. So if you want to work in line feature, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. We open QGIS. After open, we go to layer and we go to create layer and new temporary scratch layer, and we write here layer name, line and geometry type line and OK. After it, we draw line, we select it and go to toggle editing and highlight it. Line feature, we select it and draw line, first point, second point, and we right click. Our line is draw. We draw another line, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and right click. Our line is created. We create third, first point, second point, third point, fourth, and fifth. We write our line feature is created and we check how many feature is created. We go to open attribute and here is our detail 1, 2 and 3. 3 feature is created and we split it. For split, we go to edit and go to edit geometry. After edit geometry, we go to split feature and we click first point and second point and right click. Our feature split, we check it, highlighted, selected and highlighted, and we also check in table. We go to open attribute table and we check here 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4. So our line is split. If you want to change symbology, so you go to line property, right click, you go to property, you right click. If you want to change symbology, you go to line feature and right click and go to property, and here is layer property. You select as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our line property changes. Our line creation process and split complete successful. Please like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write comment. Thank you for watching video. So if you want to start work in QGIS, so it is very important for you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software, panels and toolbar. We go to view and last go to panel. Here is panel detail. If you want to add anyone, so you click here. We add browser. Our browser is add and we go to next again view, and if you want to other layer, if you want to add layer, click layer. Here is layer and again we go to view and toolbar and snapping toolbar. Here is our snapping toolbar. We adjust it. Next plugin. If you want to install plugin, go to plugin, manage and install plugin. Here is plugin. You see here all. Here is all plugin. If you want to install it, we click and install it. And here is installed, already installed and not installed. Here is zip. If you have in zip file plugin, you go to install zip and select here file, zip file and open, then install it. And next, how to add Shapefile in QGIS. Here is our browser. Here is browser. We go to particular drive, D drive, and we select here our folder. Here is our data. We select it. Here is our data GCB point. We drag it. Here is our data. And if you want to change off and on, you off and on. So our data add successfully. Panels, toolbar, plugin and Shapefile add. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. We discussed basic to advanced QGIS for creating a layer and add point. If you want to learn QGIS, so it is very important or basic. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS software for creating a point layer. We go to layer and create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name, point and geometry type, point and projection default and OK. Our point layer created. For create a feature, we select layer and we go to toggle editing, highlight it and we select here add point feature and we click here. Here is our point feature. We create. If you want to see table it, you go to open attribute table and here is table but nothing attribute. Here is our table. Here is 10 feature and if you want to information it, so you go to identify and you select it. Here is identify. Here is our layer information. So we create successful layer and point feature. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. How to create line shape file in QGIS. If you want to work in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer, we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name. We write here line and geometry type line and our projection default and OK. Our shape file created. If you want to draw line, we select it, select toggle editing and here is highlighted line feature. We select it and first point and second point, third point and after ending we right click. Our line is created. We draw next line, first point, second point and right click. Our line is created. If you want to see property, you go to table. Here is two attribute tables and but attribute nothing. And if you want to see in information only, you go to identifier and you select here identify. Here is all information. So our line feature created successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to create Polygon shapefile in QGIS. If you want to in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comment. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We go to layer and create layer. After create layer, we go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name. We write here building, geometry type, polygon and projection default and OK. Our shapefile is created and we draw a polygon. For draw polygon, we select it and highlight toggle editing. After it, our polygon is highlighted. We click add polygon and draw a polygon as per requirement. And if you want to end it, you right click and next we draw first point, second point, third and fourth. We right click. If you want to detail, you go to open attribute table and here is detail but attribute nothing. Two features are created. If you want to see and identify, you go to identify and click it and see here detail. And if you want to change symbology, you go to property, you select here symbol as per your requirement. We select here hello and OK. We successful created polygon shapefile. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. How to add field, name, display label and how to change symbology of feature. So it is very important if you want to change symbology in QGIS. So listen carefully and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our file path and we drag it our file. Here is our data and we change symbology of this data. After add data, we click here symbology and here is symbology layer and we select here single symbology. Here is single symbology and if you want to change color, you select here color and choose here color and apply our color change. If you want to transparency of these color, set opacity, you click right to left and set as per your requirement. We select it, we set here 46 and apply. Our transparency is here and if you want to other changes of symbology, you go to downside and you select here topology and favorite all favorite symbol and all symbol. Here is all symbol as per QGIS and colorful symbol. Here is colorful symbol and gray. If you need any gray, you select here gray type symbol and here is other symbols topology symbol as per your requirement.
you select it. If you want to change symbology, you go to style manager, and here is symbol, different type of symbol, and marker, line, fill and color, and here is text. You need as per your requirement, you take it. After it, if you want to change category, you go to single color and select here categorize, and here is name, category name, we select here name 2 because we already different type of name, so we select here name 2, and here color as per your requirement you select it, we select here and set point as per our requirement and apply. After it, we classify, here is classify, we click here classify, here is all classify layer and apply and OK. Here is our classify data. If you want to other changes, so you click again symbology and you select here inverted symbol, and we select here single and apply and OK. Here is inverted symbology. So our symbology process is complete. This video is helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel, like, share, and if any query please write me comment. Thank you for watching video. We see you next tutorial. How to select your feature in QGIS and how to use query in QGIS. So it is very important, so please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our some data and we select it. For selection, we go to selection and we select here select feature and we select anyone. You select anyone. If you want to use other, you select by polygon, you click here and we draw a polygon and you right click your feature selected, and if you want to unselect it, you go to unselection, click here, your feature is unselected. Again we go to selection and we select here select feature by freehand, you draw a freehand and you click here, your feature has selected, you unselect it and we go to next, select by radius, you click here and you draw a radius, you click a point and zoom in as per radius, we click here, our feature is selected, we unselect it, and if you want to another way selection, you go to select feature and select by values, you click here exception field as per your requirement, we select here and we write here name, we write here name Karnal. After it we click select feature and we see here our feature is selected, unselect it, close it, we go to again query select feature by exception, we click here and here is exception dialog box, we go to field and we select here as per your requirement, we select here ID equal to, here is all value, all unique value, we click here and we select here as per your requirement. We select here 144, and after it we click selection. Our feature is selected, and we unselect it and close it, and next we go to selection, and if you want to select all, you click here select all. Your all feature is selected. And next, if you want to inverted feature selection, you go to selection and you select here inverted feature selection. Our feature is selected. We unselect it. If you want to other way to selection, you click anyone. You click anyone and shift as per your requirement. You select one by one. Our selection process is complete. Here is our building shape file, and we go to table. Here is table. We go to open table. Here is our building. We create new field. For create new field, we go to new field and we write here name. We write here name, type, text, and length as per your requirement. We take length 50 and OK. Our field is created. We write here name, building 1, building 2, and building 3. After it, we save it. Click save. We save it and close it. For labeling, we click here Symbology. Here is label. We select here single label, and value name, we select here name, and font as per your requirement we select here Arial black, and size we write here size 20, and font points, and color we take color. After it, OK. Our label is display, and if you want to change symbology, we click again building and we go to symbology, and here is symbology. You select as per your requirement. We select it and OK. Our building symbology change. So we successful add field name, label, and symbology. So please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. How to import data in QGIS. So please listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is QGIS, and here browser and downside layer. If you don't have browser and layer, you go to view and panel. After panel, you select here browser, and don't have layer, you select layer, and here is adjust as per your requirement. You adjust it. After it, here is your all drive, and you have data. Go to that drive. We go to D drive and select our data, and we select here file as per our need. We add here Shapefile. So we double click, otherwise drag. We double click, our data is add, and you see here layer, and our data is added.
if you want to remove it, you right click and go to remove layer, you remove it. Okay, our data is removed. If you want to add by drag, you select it and drag it, our data is added. And you see attribute table, you go to attribute, open attribute. Here is all attribute, id, name, all attribute as per your shapefile. And if you want to select anyone, you select it. Here is selected part, it is selected part. And if you want to more select, you select it, our area is selected. And if you want to unselect it, you click anyone, unselect, only one is selected. And if you want to select all, you go to selection tool and we select all is selected. If you want to unselect, you click side and unselect. If you want to change symbology, you double click on symbol and our symbology is on, and you change as per your requirement. We select it and OK, our symbology is changed. If this video is helpful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Scaling and zoom function in QGIS. So listen carefully this video and like, share, subscribe my channel. If any query, please write me comments. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and you see here small scale, and we zoom in. Here is large scale, you see here is large scale and here is small scale. Large scale means more detail and small area, and small scale means less detail and more area. If you want to fix in QGIS scale, so you go to downside and you see here scale bar, and we click here and we zoom. Here is large scale, you see here, and you select it. Here is small scale. Our zoom function and scaling process is complete. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to import Excel in QGIS. If you want to work in Excel using QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our Excel. We save Excel in CSV format. For save CSV format, we go to file and save as. We select here location. Here is our location and we select here file name and save as type. We click here and select here CSV and save. Yes, and after save we close it. After it we go to open data source. We click here and we select here delimited test and we select here file name. Click here and we select here Excel CSV file
After it, we go to open. Our Excel is added here. You see here your Excel detail, all Excel detail, and after it you select here file format CSV. If you have other format, you select here as per your requirement. Our file is CSV format, so we click on CSV format. Geometry definition, here is our geometry definition. We go to geometry definition. If you have coordinate, so you click here point coordinate and you select x and y value. If you have not coordinate, you tick no geometry, and after it we add and we close it. Our Excel sheet is added, you see here. And if you want to see detail, you select it and go to open attribute, click here. Here is all Excel attribute, here is all Excel attribute detail. So our Excel is added successfully in QGIS. If any query, please write me comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching video. We see you next tutorial. How to join Excel in QGIS. So it is very important if you want to work in QGIS for attribute analysis, layout manager for label and legend, how to draw label in your map and create a legend of your map. So it is very important if you want to make a map. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel for new video. So let's start. Here is our layout manager and we draw here and we draw here label. So we go to label, here is add label, left side we click here and we draw on center, and here is right side label property. If you want to change it, so you select it and you write here as per your requirement. We write here my map, and if you want to change font size, you click here font and you select here font size as per your requirement. We write here 100, and if you want to set and middle as per your requirement, center and left or right, so you click here and after it you see here horizontal, we select here center, and vertical we select here top. And if you want to change font type, you click here font and we select here as per your requirement font. We select here this one and we adjust as per our requirement and change size. We change size, we write here 80, we adjust as per requirement. And if you want to change color, you select here color as per your choice. We select here red, our color is change. If you want to other modification, you go to next option type cases. If you want to change uppercase, you select here uppercase. you, your title change in uppercase. If you want to change in lowercase, you select here lowercase. As per your choice, we select here uppercase. And if you want to other changes, you select here draw text size. You set here text size and select here point pixel. We select here point. And color, if you want to change color, you see here in background change, we take another color blue. You see here my map, you see here blue line. If you want to other changes, so you go to background change. If you want to change background, you select here background and you select here rectangle, square, ellipse. As per your requirement, we select here ellipse and we ellipse color. Here is ellipse, see here. And other changes, you go to shadow. If you want to shadow, you select here shadow, click drop menu and you select here text level. We select here level and offset as per your requirement. Shadow, we write here 1/8. You see here shadow change. And if you want to change color, you select here color. Your shadow color is change. Our level is complete. Next, we legend. Here is legend. We go to add legend and we draw legend. We select first corner to last and we draw it. Our legend is here and we adjust it as per requirement legend, and we up and down as per your requirement. You adjust it. And if you want to change title, you write here title legend. You write here legend, your title legend. If you want to change alignment, so you select here symbology left, symbology right. Our symbology change and we select symbology left is good. We select left. Our label and legend process successful complete. If you want to export your map, you go to map layout and you go to export as PDF and we export as per our path. We write here name and save it and save our map export. So we complete successful label and legend and export map. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to insert arrow and change property of arrow, and how to insert scale and change property, and last one is how to lock your legend and map. So it is very important, so listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe. So let's start. Here is our map. So first we insert north arrow. Here is north arrow. We select here north arrow symbol, add north arrow. We click here and we insert north arrow. We click here, here is north arrow, and if you want to change symbol as per your requirement, you select item property. Here I already selected item property. We select item property and we select here SVG image, and we select here arrow. Here is north arrow, different type of north arrow. We select this one and click here. Here is our arrow. If you want to change other property, you again go to item property. We select it and we go to item property and we select here raster image, and here is our raster north arrow. We select add scale bar. After it we draw as per requirement area. We draw it. Here is our scale. We adjust as per our requirement. We adjust it. We click here, and if you want to change property, you go to item property. We already open it. After it, if you want to change scale unit, you select here unit. Here is unit. As per your requirement, you select meter, kilometer, feet and yard. We select kilometer. And level unit, multiple, as per your decide. If you want to increase it, you click here increase, and you see here dividation part. You see here changes in scale. And if you want to change segment, you select here segment 1 2 3. We select here 3. Here is segment. You see here in scale our segment is changed. If you want to change frame and background of scale, you select here frame property, and if you want to change color, you select here color, frame color. We select it, and thickness, and if you want to change in unit, you select here unit centimeter, and you see here frame, your scale frame. We adjust it. Here is scale frame scale, and you want to change background, click background, and you select here color. We select it green. Our background color is changed in scale. We successful completed north arrow and a scale symbol in map. Here is our QGIS, and we already added here Shapefile. We check attribute. For attribute check, we click here and we go to open attribute, and here is our attribute name id underscore 2, name 2 and type. We see here unique id underscore 2. We check it to Excel for same id. We go to Excel. Here is our Excel, and we see here GIS ID and id underscore 2 are same, so we join with respect to id underscore 2, id underscore 2 and GIS ID. So we close Excel and also close it, and we add Excel file. Here is our Excel file. We add it, drag to down. Our Excel file is added. We see here attribute. We click here, go to open attribute. Here is our GIS ID and name underscore 2. We close it and we go to Symbology and we double click. Symbology means Shapefile. We double click and we go to join. After join, you add new join. You see here downside in add new join plus symbol. We click here and join layer. You see here join Excel and join field. You select here join field. We select here GIS ID and target field. Target field, we select here our target field. Target field is Shapefile unique ID field, means id underscore 2. We click here. After it, we OK and apply and OK, and we check again. We click here and go to open attribute table, and you see here our Excel is joined. You see here join data underscore name underscore 2. Our Excel file joined successfully. If you want to remove it, you close it and we click here again, and here is minus symbol, means remove selected join. We click here. Our join file is removed. Apply and OK. We check again. We click here and go to open attribute table. We check here our join Excel removed. So we successful join Excel file in QGIS. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. We discuss how to add layout manager, and we prepare a first QGIS map. So it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share, subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here is our QGIS. We add map. Here is our path and we add as per drag. We add it. Here is our map. We categorize it. For categorize, we double click map and we go to Symbology. Here is Symbology and we select here categorize. After categorize, we select here categorize name. We select here name underscore 2 because our category is available on name 2, and we select here color as per our requirement. We select here color, apply, and we classify. You see in downside we classify, and our classify layer is here, and we apply and OK. Our classify map is here, and we add layout manager. For layout manager, we go to project and we go to layout manager and we click here create and we write here my first map, my first map, and OK. Here is our layout manager. We insert a map. For insert map, we go to add map, we click here add map, and we drag corner first to last. Our map is here, and after it, for insert test, we go to add label and we press here, and here is our property, and we go to item property and we write here name my first map. After it, we go to downside and we click here font. Here is font property. We select here font as per your requirement. We select style, bold, and other property. Here is our size. We write here 60, and color, if you want to change color, you select here color, and OK. Our map test complete, and we go to legend. Here is our legend. We click here legend and we drag here legend. Here is our legend, and we adjust as per our requirement. After legend, we go to north arrow. Here is north arrow. We click here and we put north arrow. Here is our north arrow, and we adjust as per requirement. And after it, we go to scale and we add scale. Here is scale, and we adjust as per our requirement. Our map is ready for export. For export map, we go to layout and we go to export as PDF, and if you want to export an image, you select here image. We select export as PDF and we give path, and we write here my first map and save. Our map export. We check it, we open it. Here is our first map. Our layout manager and first map creation process complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. How to clip your area and how to dissolve your area, how to add attribute table and lock item property in your layout map. So it is very important. If you want to add and lock item property, so listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our add attribute table symbol. We select it and we draw first corner to last corner and double click. Our attribute table is here, you see here, and if you want to change it, you go to item property, and if you want to manage cell size, you select here cell manage, and we adjust as per your requirement. We adjust 1.40 mm, and if you want to display header, you select here all feature. So here is header with table, and if you hide header, you click no header. You see here your header is hide. And if you want to change background color, you select here background color. We select it, our background color change. If you want to table line color, you select here show grid, and you select here color and width as per your requirement. Our table draw, you see here your table draw, and your attribute table is complete. And if you want to lock your table, you see here items, and you see here lock. You click here lock. You see here your table lock, not move. And if you want to move table, you move as per adjust, and you lock it. Your table is locked. Same as if you want to lock map, you see here move map. But if you want to lock it, so you lock it, and map not move anywhere. So our attribute table and lock item property in layout manager is complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. How to add image means raster data in QGIS. So it is very important. So see this video to end, and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our QGIS, and here is our path, D drive, online classes and particular date, and here is our image. And we double click image, otherwise drag. We drag it. Our raster image is added successfully. And if you want to zoom, you zoom it. Here is maximum zoom, and you see here is pixel value of image, and we zoom out. After add image, we go to layer and create layer, and select here new Shapefile layer, and we go to file name, means particular path where you save it. Here is our path, and we write here file name, line, and type. You see here save as type E3, and save it. After it, we select here category type, line, and here is our projection. We give projection WGS 8443 north. If you don't have, you go to select CRS, and you select as per your projection. After it, we select here type string, field name, length, and length 80, and add to field, and OK. Our line shapefile created. We create next shapefile, go to layer, create layer, and new shapefile layer, and we select here location, and we write here point, and save. Geometry type point, and projection as per your projection, and field name name and type test, size 80, and click add to field list, then OK. Our point file is created. Next we go to layer, create layer, new shape file, and go to again folder path, and we write here Polygon, and shape type SHP, shape, and geometry type Polygon, and name we write here area, type test, and length we write here 50, and add to field list, click here, our field is added. After it we OK. Our line, point, and area shape file created, and raster image added. So we complete successfully raster image addition and create line, point, area shape file. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. We discuss how to create buffer and analysis buffer. If you want to create buffer in QGIS, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video and like, share, and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me, just subscribe. So let's start. Here is our some points. We create buffer. For create buffer we go to vector and geoprocessing tool, and we select here buffer and input layer. Your input layer point and distance means buffer distance we write here 40, and unit meter, and you also change it kilometer, feet as per your requirement. We select here meter, and segment 5, and type round. If you want to select flat, square as per your requirement, we select here round. Joint style also round, and meter limit 2, then OK. Our buffer is created. If you want to merge buffer as per overlap, for merge overlap buffer, so we create merge overlap buffer. So we remove it, and we go to next vector and geoprocessing tool buffer, and we select here input layer distance 40, and segment 5, and type round, join round, and meter limit 2, and we select here dissolve result. If you want to merge it to your buffer, overlap buffer, so you click here dissolve result and run, close it. You see here your buffer created, dissolve means merge. And if you want to analysis how many feature in buffer area, so for analysis you go to again vector and analysis and count point in polygon, how much point come in polygon. So you click here, after it you select here polygon layer, you select here buffer, and select here target layer point. After it we run it and close it. You see here count, so you select here count and go to table You see here number of point 14 come in buffer area. So our process is complete. Buffer creation and analysis means number of count in buffer area. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. Here is our map. We clip it. For clip we select any area. We select it and go to vector, geoprocessing tool, clip, and we select here input layer means our layer and output layer, and we select here select feature only and run. Close it. We see here our area clip. If you want to see attributes, go to table. You see here attribute, and here is your all area. We unselect it and dissolve. For dissolve we select any area, click here and go to attribute table and we select any area, select it, close it and go to vector and geoprocessing tool and dissolve. We select feature only, run. Our area dissolve. You see here dissolve. If you want to use dissolve for merge, so you go to again vector and geoprocessing and dissolve and we run it, close it. Your area merge and you see attribute table. Here is attribute table. Your area merge using dissolve. So our clip dissolve process successful completed. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. Convex hull, it is very important if you want to change your polygon in convex hull. So it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. Let's start. Here is our area. We change it to convex hull. For convex hull we go to selection and we select our polygon. We select here 5 polygon and after select we go to vector and geoprocessing tool and we select here convex hull. After it we select here input layer and after input layer we tick selected feature only and after it we run it, we close it. You see here our convex hull is converted and we transparent it. For transparent it we double click on Symbology, transparent it, apply and OK. You see here your area is converted convex hull. So our process complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video. How to finding polygon with unique attribute means using query in QGIS if you want to selection in query using QGIS, so it is very important for using query. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let start. Here is our data. We select it. After selection, we go to open attribute table. Here is our table. First name underscore 1, second ID underscore 2, third name underscore 2, and fourth type underscore 2. And we using query for ID underscore 2. For query, we go to select feature using an expression. We click here. After it, we go to field and value and we select here ID underscore 2. After it, we select here equal to, and here is all unique value right hand side, and we write here any value. We write here 139. After write, we click select feature and we close it, You see here our polygon is selected, highlighted in yellow color. So our unique feature is selected. If you want to use other query, so you go to, first we unselect it and go to open attribute table and we click here. We click here select feature using an expression. After it, we go to field and value and we click here ID and we write here and. After it, before we write here operator greater than 139 and ID2, and we write here less operator 148. Here is operator ID underscore 2 greater than 139 and ID underscore 2 is less than 148. After it, we go to 10 samples. We click here. Here is our value 139 to 140. If you want to select it, so you go to select feature and close it. Here is our value is selected. You see here feature total 19, filtered 19 and selected 8. Our 8 feature selected means our 8 polygon selected. You see want to map, you close it. You see here your feature is selected, 8 feature is selected by using query. So our process is complete successfully for selecting QGIS by using query. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video how to use different function in QGIS. If you want to create new layer using different layer, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If any query, please write in comment. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our layer and we create another layer. So we go to selection and select some part and we go to vector, geoprocessing tool, difference, and we select here input layer, our input layer, and we select selected feature only. We create selected feature only. We run, we close it. You see here our layer is created, is unselected. Our layer is created, unselect area, and here is whole area. If you want to change other layer and you clip it, so you create a shape file. We go to layer and create layer, new shape file layer, and we go to particular folder path and we write here name, shape, and we geometry type polygon and name, add, our name is added, and OK. Our AOI created, we select it and create a AOI. We highlight it and we select polygon and we create polygon. Right click, OK. Our polygon created, and we go to vector and geoprocessing tool and different, and we select here Symbology, means layer, our old layer, and we select here overlay layer AOI and OK. Close it and we check here. Here is our overlay layer, and you again, here is AOI, here is AOI, and we go to vector, geoprocessing tool, difference, and we select here AOI and we select here Symbology layer, then OK. Close it. You see here our difference layer. You create layer using defense function. So our process is complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.